Hey guys, today we will learn about the basics of cloud computing in the simplest terms. Here's what we would be looking into. What is cloud computing? Why do we need cloud computing? And who are the top cloud service providers in today's market? Coming to the first part, let's understand what cloud computing is. The cloud refers to the servers that are accessed over the internet, along with the software and databases that run on those servers. In other words, cloud could be all of those things that you remotely access via internet. When you say that something is stored in cloud, it means that it is stored in a different location than your personal hard drive and that you can access the data using internet. Hence, you could say that cloud computing is the delivery of services through internet. As long as an electronic device has access to the web, it has access to the data and software programs to run it. Well, the companies which provide cloud services allow the users to store files and applications on remote servers and then access all the data via internet. You must be wondering where these remote servers are located. These cloud servers are located in the data centers all over the world. Cloud computing can be both public and private. Public cloud is the most common type of cloud computing deployment. The cloud resources are owned and operated by a third-party cloud service provider and delivered over the internet. With public cloud, all your hardware, software, and other supporting infrastructure are owned and managed by the cloud service provider. A private cloud, on the other hand, consists of cloud computing resources used exclusively by one business or organization. Private cloud can be physically located at your organization's on-site data center, or it can also be hosted by a third-party service provider. But the major difference is that the services and infrastructure are always maintained on a private network and dedicated only to your organization. There is also a hybrid option which combines the elements of both public and private services. Now that we have established what cloud computing is, let's discuss why we need cloud computing. One of the major reasons why a huge number of small and large-scale businesses are moving towards cloud is cost saving. Imagine that you're on a vacation to a particular destination and you need an accommodation for stay and a car to travel. Would you prefer buying a house and a car, or would you hire these services while you're there? Which one of them would be cost effective for you? Obviously, the second option. You could apply a similar concept here. Instead of setting up your own infrastructure, you could find a cloud service provider who could fulfill all your requirements and infrastructure needs for a fixed cost, and there is no upfront cost involved. In addition to this, the cloud service provider takes care of all the maintenance and you get everything that you need at any point in time for nominal costs. Wow! The second reason for a shift to cloud is that it is highly scalable. Scalability refers to the increase or decrease of IT resources. For example, it could be data storage capacity, processing power, or anything for that matter. Flexibility is another reason why cloud becomes more relevant in today's time. The cloud offers businesses more flexibility at any given time. For example, if you think of your own business that is growing and you need an extra bandwidth, a cloud-based service can meet your demand instantly rather than undergoing a complex IT procedure that involves your IT team setting up a new infrastructure or updating your existing one. The other important reasons why cloud has become the primary location for businesses to store data are on-demand access from any remote location, high data security, high speed, unlimited storage capacity, etc. I will be creating another video exclusively to discuss the benefits of cloud computing. Now, let us look into the top cloud service providers. Amazon Web Services, or AWS, is the most popular cloud service provider in the world. AWS offers hundreds of services. It offers more than 200 information as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service cloud services, including public and hybrid offerings. Microsoft Azure is one of the fastest growing clouds among them all. Azure was launched years after the release of AWS and yet is one of the most profitable cloud services in the world and is in the race to become the top cloud service provider. Azure also delivers more than 200 services and features, including compute, storage, etc., in public, hybrid, and multi cloud environments. Next comes Google Cloud, which is considered as the third vendor in the top three. Google Cloud is available globally. It delivers cloud, CDN, storage, Kubernetes, streaming, analytics, artificial intelligence, and more. The other major cloud service providers are Oracle Cloud, Alibaba Cloud, IBM Cloud, Salesforce, etc. All of these provide wonderful cloud services that are used by so many businesses, large scale and small scale. That's all for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you wish to receive more updates from this channel. Thank you.